Okay, all of you, so open your books and the topic is modals. Hope you all are carrying your grammar books with you at home and those who are here in class. Ankit, you will not respond at all, and if I heard you speaking in general and not responding to my questions answer, then I will ask you to come on and sit on the floor. And it's so easy to do the buck and to not say the right things. So take part in the right things as well. Yes, Yashmit, I've seen. Yeah, and you are not reminding me, ma'am. You said that you'll begin with the UT2 syllabus. Do take milk in the evening and in the morning. I do. Chalo, take a pencil. Keep a note. All right, so children, in UT2, please note your syllabus from textbook, chapter number 6, Expert Detectives. Poem 6, Mystery of the Talking Fan. Chapter number 6 has a poem, Mystery of the Talking Fan. Chapter number 6 is Expert Detectives. Book is your Honeycomb. Textbook, if I say textbook, it means honeycomb, right? Now, next is your chapter number 7, The Invention of Vita Wonk. All right, and then Rudra, can you be slower and can repeat your things so that I can hear and reply? It is chapter 6, Expert Detectives, and poem 6, Mystery of the Talking Pan. Chapter 7, The Invention of Vita Wong. Poem 7, Dad and the Cat and the Tree. Right? And then comes the supplementary reader. Chapter 6, I want something in a cage. Right? Chapter 7, Chandni. Right? And then comes the English grammar book. Chapter number 11. Chapter number 11. Chapter number 12, 13, 14. And in writing, chapter number 28. And then English comprehension is always mentioned and it always comes in the seen unseen passage form, right? No doubt. Now, how many parts are left for UT2 syllabus? Grammar and the two poems. Correct. Grammar and the two poems. Right? Diary writing is done. Chandni is done. I want something in cage is done. Expert detectives is done. Invention of Vita Wong. Okay? Now only grammar is left. So I'm beginning with the grammar topic, models today. And it is chapter number 11 itself. All right. So children, 11 chapter says models or modal auxiliaries are verbs which are used before ordinary verbs to express permission, possibility, ability, obligation, suggestion, request, and so on. Ma'am, may I come in? Permission. I can go to market today. Possibility. I can slap you tighter than you can imagine. Ability. Can. Right. I must look after my parents. I should look after my parents. Must nahi. I should look after my parents. है ना? Parents are our responsibility Or is it like once we are older, now parents should be sent out of the house? Right? So obligation. Why am I taking examples? Anshika, you just laid back. Laid back means थोड़ा सा back होके बैठो, सबकी शक्लें दिखनी चाहिए मुझे. Now suggestion. I think you should take a warm glass of milk with a health supplement, whatever suits you. Or if you do not have any supplement, you do not take, do not like, so you can add some drops of what, almond oil, right? Pure almond oil, and it will be very beneficial for your bone densities and your brain formation. So this is my suggestion. You should, you can, right? So you need to read the entire sentence to grab the meaning. Actually, what meaning is it conveying? Is it conveying the sense of suggestion? Is it conveying the sense of some threat, some ability, some possibility? Clear? वहां से निकल के नहीं आया, वो स्टॉप करोगे, बड़ा हो तो ये आओ, वैसे अभी से आज से इसकी सीट यही रहेगी, सबसे ध्यान से सुन लिया, आज अक्सर ये करेंगे, अकेले बनेंगे, एक और शब्द यहाँ फ्लोर पे, right? So we are talking about suggestion. Request. Can I please break your face? It's a request, right? So when we request somebody, the feeling must come like that, and the selection of words also do a great deal, है ना? आपके शब्दों का चयन ऐसा होना चाहिए कि आपकी रिक्वेस्ट रिक्वेस्ट तरह लगे, ठीक है? Like I want to do some robbery in your house. Can I please rob your house? Just 5 lakhs rupees, all the cash and all the gold. Yes, ma'am. One fellow says yes, ma'am. Right. So these are some responsible fellows of their houses. All right. So I hope the concept of different function. These are the different function which each and every model serve. Right. So they indicate the attitude, intention and mood of the speaker. आपका इंटेंशन क्या है, आप क्या करने की इच्छा रखते हैं, ठीक है? उसी तरीके से आपका एटीट्यूड रिफ्लेक्ट होगा आपके वर्ड्स के सिलेक्शन पे. Now, words used as modals are shall, should, will, would, can, could, be able to, may, might, ought to, and must. Modals are used to express permission, possibility. These all I have just explained. Ability, obligation, suggestion, promise, wish. Wish, I wish to be a doctor. There, I'll break your head. I just break your head. Okay? So, prohibition, no entry. Have you seen the red boards of a skull and two bones? Danger, है ना? So many dangerous activities are keep happening. So we need to put up a board, danger. Intention, necessity, request, and duty. Now morals are always followed by main verbs as they cannot stand on their own in a sentence. There is no doubt. There should be not no doubt in this. Yes, yes. Why are you raising your hands? Yeah, please, Rudra. First, Rudra. ऑब्लिगेशन मीन्स आपकी जो जिम्मेदारी है, आपका क्या कर्तव्य बनता है. अभी मैंने एक एग्जांपल दिया ना, सुनते नहीं हो तुम लोग. आई शुड लुक आफ्टर माय पेरेंट्स. आई मस्ट नो द प्लेज, है ना? आई शुड रिमेंबर द एड्रेस ऑफ माय हाउस. अगर आपको अपने लिसन अगर आपको अपने घर का पता याद होगा तो फायदे में कौन रहेगा, मैं या आप? Someday if you are standing and waiting for your bus does not come, and fortunately or unfortunately you do not remember your address, neither the phone numbers of your father, mother, anybody. Wow, Who will help you, Baba? God will help you. He will take some form of a tree and will, है ना, give you some fruit. So oblige, है ना. हम एप्लीकेशन में क्या लिखते हैं? I shall be highly obliged. Very cliche word, but what does it convey? We being a seeker, seeking the permission of the principal for something, say, kindly reduce my fee or kindly grant my leave, right? So by doing so, if you are granting my leave, I shall be obliged, है ना, मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगेगा. Okay, so moreover we'll be practicing examples, तो आपके concepts और clear हो जाएंगे, है ना. रितेश, clear हो रहा है? All right, so he should visit his grandmother regularly. I may take leave. अब he should visit his grandmother regularly. या कौन सा function है? What do you think? Obligation. And the point which it says that it cannot stand on its own. It always follows by a main verb. What do you mean by main verb? Yes, Yashmit, tell us what is the main verb. Loudly. Place your. Yeah. Why do you think so? Hmm. So, uh, if it is all right, ठीक. And what about the main verb? What is the main verb in a sentence? Lovely. But it is not correct. He, how can he be the main verb, Yashmit? He is the subject, don't you think so? Third person singular it is. Visit is the main verb. है ना? Visit. And it is written followed by. यानी कि main verb पीछे आएगा किसके? Modal के. Modal क्या है? Should. Should के पीछे क्या आया? Visit. ठीक है, क्लियर है अवनीश? ठीक है. So kindly read this pink part and let me know if you have any doubt. Quick, 1 minute to read. All of you, read it. Hmm. Make a sentence. Let this doubt be over on you, on in your end only. And make a sentence. You want to assess the possibility if the tense or if the gender part affects this modal or not. So why don't you frame a sentence? And any sentence that will tell you that it is the gender, where the gender can also be easily seen and heard, and the tense also. I will go to market, है ना? he will go to market, she will go to market. तो यहाँ पे तो हम फ्यूचर में जाने की बात कर रहे हैं, तो टेंस तो चेंज होगा. अब he he went to market, तो यहाँ पे तो फिर पास्ट हो गया. तो यहाँ पे मॉडल का तो रोल क्या होगा? मॉडल तो विल नॉट रिमेन अ मॉडल, सेंस विल बी चेंज, इट विल बी एन एक्शन कंप्लीटेड इन पास्ट. अभी पॉसिबिलिटी वो प्रूफ हो गई, दैट थिंग ऑलरेडी हैपेंड, है कि नहीं? तो जब हम इसी तरीके से आपका ब्रेन फंक्शन करता है ना, सो यू हैव सो मेनी क्वेश्चंस एंड देन यू when you start practicing you get the answers on your own, right? So I believe the pink part is clear. Any doubt in this? All are having books. All right, now correct. Now there is a table, ability table. Ability table has three examples: can, could, be able to, right? So can indicates ability to do something. ठीक है? I can, you can, she can, they can, he can, it can. Understood? Ability, कार्य करने की क्षमता. ability है आप में कि आप पंखे को खा सकें, right? So you got the answer, correct. Do you have the ability to have 2 Maggi noodles masala, 2 plates? Very good. Yashmit is a no junk boy. Nice. These days I have also left sugar and rice and all these maida noodles, you know. It's so tough that you have to cook but you cannot taste. Okay, so moving ahead, yeah. Can is clear? Avnish, you're feeling sleepy? Having some yoga poses on the bench itself? All right, could. Suggest ability in the past. So could is the past form of can, right? Right. And it suggests the ability in the past. So he could walk for a kilometer without a break. It is not clear whether he walked for a kilometer without a break or not. वो 1 किलोमीटर तक चल सकता था. अब हमें ये नहीं पता कि वो चला या वो नहीं चला, लेकिन उसके में एबिलिटी थी कि वो चल सकता था. अब उसने ओला कर लिया या उसने उबर कर लिया या उसने कुछ भी कर लिया, वी डोंट नो. पैराशूट से वो गया या वो, है ना? Next is be able to. Indicates ability to do something which is more possible than can. कैन से हमें एबिलिटी पता चलती है, लेकिन बी एबल टू अंजलि जहां पे आएगा वो कैन से ज्यादा परसेंटेज में. अगर हम इसे ऐसे दिमाग में आप इस चीज को फिक्स करिए कि बी एबल टू में कैन, बी एबल टू ऑल्सो शोज पॉसिबिलिटी, स्ट्रॉन्गर पॉसिबिलिटी देन कैन. इफ यू सी समवेयर बी एबल टू, इट मीन्स इट इज expressing a strong sense of possibility. Okay, Asmit? Not sleeping? Awake? Need a coffee? Black coffee? All right, I'll be bringing it. So he was able to write with both hands. क्या कहते हैं जो दोनों हाथों से लिखते हैं? एम्बीडेक्स्ट्रस. एम्बीडेक्स्ट्रस. AMBI, right? DEXTROUS. Ambidextrous. In China, schools, they make the students ambidextrous. They teach the students from the early classes only so that they may write from both the hands. Smart, no? Yeah, yeah. Yeah. Yes. AMBI. DEX. AMBIDEXTROUS. There is also a way to ask Google. Say the word for a student, for a child who writes with, what is the word for a person who writes with both the hands? And Google will tell you. It is ambidextrous. Okay, now चलो आगे बढ़ते हैं. Can is used for the present tense. Could is used for the past tense. Be able to is used for all tense forms. This is also an add-on. We can use it in all tense forms. ठीक है? Clear? Now have this exercise. 30 seconds to solve this exercise. Your time starts now. Nobody will say done, 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 done. पीयूष तुम बुक नहीं लाए? मैं तुम्हें विली वोंका का लिक्विड पिला दूं, चलेगा? लेके आना होगा, ठीक है ना? Then you can share. मस्त बैठो. All right. So it says. Okay, 30 seconds, bhai. So what should be the answer? I shall say the name and the child should respond. Do not respond in masses. Karan Singh, who is never seen nor heard. Only his answer sheets are received on the day of examination. है ना? We have such Willy Wonka liquid type of people also. And these people deserve 4 drops of liquid in their mouth. दो बूंद जिंदगी की. Yeah, so Mr. Karan, are you here? Can you hear me? Rohit Kumar. Very good. Rohit, open your camera. Are you open? All right, tell me the answer of fourth. Even though our car broke down. फिर भी जबकि हमारी गाड़ी खराब हो गई थी. ब्रोक डाउन यानी कि खराब हो गई है ना, उसके पीसेस नहीं हुए कि ब्रेक डाउन कर दिया. So broke down is a phrasal verb. It indicates that the car stopped functioning well, right? So we dash reach home on time. इसका क्या आंसर होगा भाई? कैन में, कुड में, बी एबल में. फोर्थ वन. Could is the right answer. Could. All right. 10th one. Rather than waiting for him here, we can. We can. Priyanka, you also sit now. Hello. Now what's the good name? Aryan will tell me the answer of 8th one. As a young man, my grandfather could swim really fast. Understood? Okay, so now I'll be saying the answers quickly. Yeah. जनरल एबिलिटी तो सारी एबिलिटी की तो सारा ही शो हो रहा है ना. Rather than waiting for him here, we can walk to his house. नहीं, sentence पढ़ो. Rather than waiting for him here. मैं एट वाले को बता दी. इधर could आएगा, इधर क्या आएगा? हाँ, यहाँ क्या आएगा? कहाँ? किसमें? I am telling the answers. You just go back. If you have any doubt, you just come in. Sit. All right. So the answers. Kindly be quiet so that I can move ahead. Anjali. Note down the answers, Anjali. First, can. Second, could. Third, can. Fourth, could. Fifth, could. No voice in yes, ma'am. No, ma'am. Okay, ma'am. Sorry, ma'am. Let me say and you be mum. Could. Fourth, could. Are you deaf? अगर मैं कह रही हूँ चुप रहना है तो चुप रहना है. आप लोग नहीं है ना, ऑनलाइन में भी है, उन्हें शोर हो रहा है. Right, so first one can, could. Till fourth I have told, right? Fifth one, could. Sixth, be able to. Right? Seventh, could. Eighth, could. Ninth, be able. 10th, can. Any doubt? Any pain in the knee? Headache in the... You find out on your own. What do you think? इतने फास्ट स्पीड में बोलते हो तुम. स्पीड यहाँ पे कैसे धीरे है? इसलिए तो बिठाया मैंने तुम्हें. पापा shut up. Look at the daringness, my goodness. Ma'am, I was taking eraser. Ma'am, I was creating eraser. Ma'am, I was making a bomb actually. You do not, ma'am, please, do not underestimate my power, ma'am, please. Can I have a headache? Uh, can you teach us this topic? You're not excused, and let us move forward to the topic. Keep your doubts in your pockets, and let's move forward. So there's a box obligation, advice, suggestion. Three pointers indicating should, must, ought to. Should. It is used basically for suggestion and to give advice to, right? You should take the medicine twice daily, else you may die. I think you should die. There is no point in living. This can also be a suggestion. है ना? Do not give to anyone. Else give it on your own. Should we call the police as someone is hiding in the garden? So this is a suggestion. We should eat more vegetables and fruits. Come to must. Again somebody is whistling. Whistling. मुझे पता है ना तुमने नहीं किया है कौन कर रहा है भाई विसल ही कर लो यहाँ बैठ के पढ़ाई तो लोग कर लो और मैं बैठ के सुनूंगी बच्चों सुन लेती हूँ Now, must is quite clear. If the necessity is strong, if there is a compulsion, then must will come, right? Like you must help your friend in need. So if your friend is running out of money and he need to catch an auto, you carry 15 to 20 rupees, which is his daily fare. And if you carry the money, I think you should give him once, right? If you feel that the habit is like, getting a daily affair, so you must stop. Okay, and immediately you bring it into the notice of his parents that auntie daily he asks for money. Do you not send him with his fare? If he has to come to auto through auto on a daily basis, I think you might be sending him with entire amount. So why is he asking me every day? What does he do? Does he eat or does he do what? Right? So it's your conscience when you need to act aptly. Now, ought to conveys a sense of moral duty. Moral means in Hindi word for moral. It is not the Hindi word for moral. Hindi word for moral. सी सी में डूब जाओ सीख Okay. You may go to now. Moral Hindi. Naitik. 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 Naitik Shiksha. Have you heard of this? All right. So, conveys a sense of moral. You ought to plant trees in to save the environment. Why do we need to plant trees? What will happen if we stop planting the trees? Somebody else will plant. But if everyone start thinking this way, yeah, we will die. But Ankit Swain may not be able to die because he has already swallowed the liquid of Willy Wonka. And that provides oxygen, petroleum, diesel, carbon. Okay, fine, whatever. So everything is clear. Move to the exercise B. 1 minute to solve. No extra noise should be heard. Piyush, switch on the fans over these areas. Anjali, you're not solving. Madam, आपकी किताब mark नीचे है? All right, time up. I think you should take this exercise for homework. Nobody will leave the class without my instruction. Be seated and adjust your back in seating positions only. Do not be Mount Etna or Mount Everest. Right? So B is for homework and you are supposed to read the permission table. B is C for homework. And from D onwards, I'll take up. That's all for today. Pleasure.